So this is my first time filming a video with a kitten in the room, and right now you're being a good boy. He's sat on my desk, but we'll see how long that lasts. Hey guys, so today I've got another full face of makeup using an advent calendar video. I feel like this might be the last one of the series. Maybe we could finish on like a really funny one next week. That might be fun, like a really naff one. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, it might be the last one, and today I'm going to be doing the most expensive advent calendar that I've ever tried, because I usually go for quite cheap ones, but whoa, it suddenly just got incredibly bright out there. What is going on? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to shut the curtains. I'd rather it be too dark than too light. I think that will have to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing the MAC Advent Calendar. It was out of stock for so long, but it came back. It is now back in stock, so if you wanna get it, get it. I grabbed one as quick as I could, and it cost me a grand total of £125. I do think that is quite a lot for an advent calendar, so we're gonna find out today if I've been ripped off or not. Yay! So this is what the advent calendar looks like. It's I think it was called the Shiny Pretty Things advent calendar. And yeah, it looks nice. It's very nicely presented. Oh, it's a bit of a heavy one though, so I've got to hold this for a while. And then wait, how am I going to do this? Oh, they're in like little nests. So that's nice. They're in little nests. So day number one is a MAC pigment in the shade, it is in the shade Tan. Day number two is this one here, and oh, some water. Little bottle of water, have a little drink on day number two. It's really hard to read. MAC Cleanse Off Oil. So we've got some oil, cool. And then day number three is pretty damn large actually. Day number three is this one here. Oh, he's come right out. I wasn't expecting that. Day number three is a MAC lip gloss in the shade, I don't know exactly how to say it. I'm gonna say Nymphette. Day number four is this one. Oh. What? Oh, hi. Day number four has many things in it. I mean, I ain't complaining, that's pretty good. Day number four, we've got a pot, an empty pot. What? Anyway, you get an empty pot in day number four. You can tell why they put multiple things in there now, because could you imagine just getting that? You'd be like, all right then, thanks guys. Oh, well it all makes sense now, doesn't it? It says, visit your nearest counter for a complimentary skin tailoring service and take home a 10-day foundation sample. And then you also get a couple of these foundation sponges. So yeah, you get a few bits and bobs in day number four. Day number five is this one. Oh, that is quite a big product actually. I thought for a minute it was full sized. It's not, but it's pretty big. Day number five is Max? Who? Just not the fairy lights. I was just looking for day number six for so long. I was about to say, I don't think there's a day number six. And then I saw it and it's potentially the biggest one on there. Well done me. Oh. This is the MAC Feline Kohl Powder Eye Pencil. Day number seven is what is a shade sense? So it says MAC Velvet Teddy, which to me is a lipstick, but it's actually a little spray, like a perfume, I think. Smells alright actually. Day number eight is a Dazzle Shadow in the shade Let's Roll. Wow, that actually looks really pretty. Day number nine is something quite big. It's a mirror. That's actually a decent sized mirror. Day number 10 is down here, and you get a In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. So I think it's a little mini mascara. So that's pretty good. That spray smells well good. Day number 11 is is that full sized or is that miniature? I feel like that is a little mini MAC lipstick. I mean, it's still pretty decent size. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So you get a MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. I thought they might do that shade because it is quite a popular one. And then day number 12, an absolutely massive pencil sharpener. Like, wow, large. Day number 13 is another eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow in the shade Woodwinked. It's like a bronzy kind of shade. Day number 14 is So it's a little mini MAC Prep and Prime. Day number 15 is seriously stuck. Oh, another MAC lip gloss. What even are they? I didn't even work that out. Oh, I'm guessing a lip gloss. This one's in the shade Spite. It's like a slightly nudier colour. Day number 16. You get some don't eat my plant. Some eyelashes. I've never had that in an advent calendar before. So that's pretty good actually. I mean, that means I've got to put lashes on in this video. Oh dear. Day number 17 is... Ooh, it just says clear. Oh dear. I think it's either a clear mascara or a clear eyebrow gel maybe. So that's a big size actually. Day number 18 is Pro Longwear Fluid Line. Oh, I think it's like a eyeliner in a pot. So one of those ones that you dip and line. Day number 19 is MAC Prep and Prime. Oh, a lip one. I was going to say we've already had that. This is a lip primer. Day 20 is a little something. A strobe cream, so a mini strobe cream. Day number 21. Come on, what's my lucky number this time? Ooh, a MAC Lip Scrumptious. So a lip scrub. Day number 22 is a MAC Prep and Prime. Again, but this is a natural radiance base. Day number 23 is huge. Oh, but again, it's a little pencil. You get really excited about the huge ones, but they're just pencils. It's a MAC lip pencil in the shade Cherry. So a nice red lip pencil, which is a good color choice, very festive. So now we've got day 24, which is the final box. Oh, it feels like a lipstick. Oh, I think this is a full-sized. Yeah, so day 24 is a full-size lipstick. He's found my balloon in the shade Ruby Woo, and it's like a red matte lipstick, perfect for Christmas, and it will go really nice with the lip liner from the day before. So that's quite a good one. That is everything unboxed. I'm now gonna sort the lighting out, I think, and I'm gonna put some of this stuff on my face. Let's go. First of all, I think we need to shut a certain someone out of this room because he's making life a little bit tricky. Okay, so I've gone away and I've had a look at everything that I got, and I realised the full face challenge is just not gonna work with this advent calendar. There is nowhere near enough stuff to do a full face. So I've had to go away, do my eyebrows, do my bronzer, blush and highlighter, and powder, concealer and foundation. Well, I'd already done my foundation, but I had to go and do all of that because they don't have anything even close. I'm still probably gonna call it full face of makeup, blah, 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 because that's just what my whole series has been called. But I admit, it's failed. I failed the challenge. It didn't work with this one, but I'm gonna try out some of the stuff anyway. So what did we get? So I noticed that a lot of the advent calendar was like primers and stuff like that. All of this is like primey stuff, I think. So yeah, I'd already done my foundation before I even started filming, so I don't... So yeah, oh, we could try this. We've got a lip scrub, I'll give that a go. A strobe cream. Can't really do much with that now. Prep and Prime Skin Base. Don't even know what that is. A Prep and Prime Radiance Base. Oh no, this is a cleanse off oil. So I think that's a makeup remover. And then a lip primer. Oh, I'm dropping everything. So it basically just looks like a little lip balm. I'm just gonna whack it on. That is so soft and so smooth. That is a pretty good lip balm or lip primer, whatever they call it. I like that. So anyway, that's about it for primey things. Soz. So for eyeshadows, we've got 3 different options. They're all shimmery. Like there's no mattes, which is a shame. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this look. I'm just gonna pick one and whack it on my lid. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna use the brown because I always use like bronzy colors. So this is Woodwinked. This pinky one is Let's Roll. I'm kind of intrigued to use that. It's kind of like a foil looking eyeshadow, but also we've got this pigment in the shade Tan. Oh, hi. And the lid is going back on. I did not expect it to be that like chunky and messy. Let's go for this one. I took one look at it and I was like, Yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of this. I think I'm just gonna do it with my finger because I believe that's how you're supposed to do these like foil eyeshadows. Well, I call it that. I don't even know if it is one of those. I think it is. Oh, it's like in different lights. It's a different color. It looks pink straight on, but from the side it looks green, no, gold. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of this on my finger. Wow. And I'm just gonna pop this on my eyelid with nothing else. This is probably gonna look awful, but it's all I've got. But this eyeshadow is really pretty. I mean, just as expected. It looks really stupid on its own, but I can imagine with like a whole eyeshadow look, this would look really nice. But yeah, just to test it out for you guys, it does show up pretty well. It's really easy to apply and it's a very pretty color, so there we go. They also give you 2 eyeliners. One is a little Pot eyeliner and it's in the shade Black Track. And the other one is a kohl eyeliner and it's in the shade, I think the shade is Feline. Don't think I'm going to use these. I'd much rather like give them to someone who would use it. So we've got 2 eyelash products. Well, 2/3 because you could use that as a clear mascara. I've got a Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. So I'm going to try popping a bit of that on. Oh, geez. Wow, it's longer than I thought. It just kept coming. So you get quite a long wand. Okay, let's just give it a go. It's kind of hard to use because it's so small. You're sort of like, but the actual bristle itself, there are so many like brushy bits and it really like clings onto the lashes and it just seems to be working really well. Okay, so I've only put a tiny bit of mascara on because I am going to be using the eyelashes, but I feel like it worked quite well. I feel like if you built that up, it would be really good. I could just tell that it was a good mascara, so I really liked it, but I'm now going to try and do some eyelashes. So yeah, these are the ones you get. They look like quite pretty ones. They're nice and like, I don't know, I can't think of a word. They don't give you any glue with it, which is a bit of a shame, unless it's like hiding in there. Let me just double check. Okay, yeah, there isn't any glue in there, so that is a bit rubbish because if you don't have any glue, you can't really use them. But yeah, I've just gone and grabbed some of my own eyelash glue. I'm gonna go and trim these down and try and stick them on. Hopefully they look okay, but I do struggle with my eyelashes, don't I? Wish me luck. Those were by far the easiest eyelashes I've ever stuck on. They don't look perfect. They definitely don't look perfect. I feel like you definitely need some eyeliner to cover up the band, but we've already established I ain't doing eyeliner right now. But I feel like they were so easy to apply. Yeah, and they're quite pretty. They're very natural. Like it almost doesn't look like I'm wearing fake eyelashes. It doesn't look like I'm wearing fake lashes, but I promise I have put them on. You might think I'm lying actually. I have stuck them down. You can probably tell. Lip stuff. So we've got 2 of these lip glosses, which I think sounds weird. I would call it a lip gloss. Probably not going to use them. I'll find someone else who's more likely to use a lip gloss. So you've got a mini Velvet Teddy lipstick, which looks like this. And then you also get a full-sized lip liner in Cherry and a full-sized matte lipstick in Ruby Woo. So I think I'm going to use these 2 because it's nice and Christmassy. And yeah. Ooh, smells like a proper pencil. I thought this was meant to make it easier. I'm honestly finding this harder than just using a lipstick. That's a really nice straight line, isn't it? Well done. I'm finding that harder. Lip liners aren't for me. Yeah, let's try and cover up this mess that I've made. I think I made it even messier. Okay, I've smudged it a little bit down there, but I think that looks all right. It's a really pretty colour. It's such a nice red colour. I mean, it applied all right. Yeah, good. I mean, I've tried MAC lipsticks before, so I know that they are good. But yeah, I think that's a really good one. A good colour choice as well for the final day. I guess this is my makeup done. It's not a full face of MAC, but it's an attempted full face of MAC. Literally the only MAC things are here and here. Oh mate, we haven't used our setting spray. I've never used a MAC Fix Plus. It's like a Dalek. I get nervous every time. Oh, nothing came out. Okay. There we go. It smells well nice actually. That's a nice scented Fix Plus. I do think it is a good advent calendar. I think because MAC is like a high-end brand, everything is good quality. The products work well. You get a good selection of things, but I feel like it would be better if they'd thrown in like a mini blush, a mini highlighter, a mini bronzer. I'm guessing they do those kinds of things. So maybe if there was a little bit more variety to do like all of your makeup with it, that would be a bit better. But I feel like maybe £125 is a little bit much for what you get, but it's not too bad. I don't think I was well and truly ripped off. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, if you're someone who uses like primers and lip liners and strobe creams and pigments and stuff like that, then I feel like you would like it. But for me, it was a bit like, what is all this stuff? I don't know what half of it does. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was a bit all over the place. I'm sorry the full face challenge was a fail. But yeah, I hope it gave you an idea of whether you wanted to buy it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very, very soon. Goodbye.